Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Crisp Chat to customize website support UI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing Crisp Chat for customizing your website support UI, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Crisp website. Log into your Crisp account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate the Settings tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. In the Settings menu, find the Website option and select it. Here, you'll see a section for Integrations. Look for the Crisp API key, which you'll need for authorization. Next, open your website's code editor or content management system. Access the part of your website where you can add scripts. Copy the Crisp JavaScript snippet provided on the Crisp website. Paste the JavaScript snippet into your website's HTML code. Make sure to place it just before the closing /body tag for optimal performance. Now, in the Crisp settings, navigate to the Customization section. Here, you'll find various options to customize your support UI. Feel free to change colors, text, and button styles to match your website's branding. Return to your website and refresh the page to see the new support UI in action. Test the chat feature to ensure everything works smoothly. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Crisp Chat and customized your website support UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.